Becoming irreplaceable has the added benefit of the belief that a partner is less likely to reject and or exit the relationship. However, becoming irreplaceable is also fraught with insecurity because of potential romantic alternatives. To stop a romantic partner's eyes and feet from wandering, people need to ensure that their partner values qualities in them that he or she could not readily find in others if he or she were to look for them. That, if you have I notice that men like to think in terms of similarities and differences. You will often hear men say about the new woman in their life when people ask them, well, why are you dating her? And he will respond, because she is not like all the others. She's different. And so if you are sort of similar to someone else, some other potential alternative, it is less likely that he will leave. It is less likely that she will leave. However, if there is a difference, a real difference between you and the potential alternative, there is a greater likelihood that he will leave or she will leave because they feel like they are moving up. And people like to advance. If you're replacing somebody, you are basically suggesting that the person you are with is not advancing. They are not moving forward. They're sort of stagnant. They look exactly the same way you married him or you married them, whether from dating to long-term cohabitation to marriage. And people like to progress, and especially if they are moving forward in their lives, people often assume that just because they got a raise and they're making more money, they need to leave the current partner to find another partner who's doing exactly the same thing. They got a raise and they're making more money too. So that that insecurity in the partner who wants to leave has a lot to do also with why they want to leave. I don't know what the insecurity is. It's subjective, but you wanting to become irreplaceable will actually reveal your insecurity as well.